What if you could get a smartphone with a massive battery, flagship-level performance, and a large premium display without paying flagship prices? Well, that's exactly what the POCO X8 Pro Max is trying to do. This device is rumored to combine powerful hardware, extreme battery life, and modern smartphone features into one package that could redefine the upper mid-range smartphone market. So today, we're going to take a deep look at the POCO X8 Pro Max and see whether it truly lives up to the hype. POCO has built a strong reputation in the smartphone industry. Since the early days of the POCO series, the brand has focused on delivering powerful devices at aggressive prices. And over the years, that formula has worked extremely well. Devices like the X series have consistently targeted users who want maximum performance, long battery life, and strong overall value. Now, with the POCO X8 Pro Max, the company appears to push this idea even further. This device is designed to offer flagship-level performance, a massive battery, and a premium display experience, all while maintaining a competitive price point. But specifications alone don't always tell the full story. So let's break down everything about this device. Let's start with the design. The POCO X8 Pro Max continues the bold visual identity that the brand is known for. However, this time, the design looks slightly more refined and premium compared to previous models. The phone features a clean back panel design with a modern camera module layout that gives the device a futuristic appearance. Despite having a very large battery, the phone still manages to keep a relatively slim profile. This balance between size and battery capacity is quite impressive. The frame is designed to feel solid and durable in the hand, which is important for users who want a device that can handle everyday use without feeling fragile. POCO also appears to focus more on durability this time, with better protection against dust and water. Overall, the design of the POCO X8 Pro Max feels modern, bold, and practical. Moving on to the display, this is one of the most important parts of any smartphone experience. The POCO X8 Pro Max features a large OLED display measuring around 6.8 inches. This large screen makes the phone ideal for watching videos, browsing the web, playing games, and multitasking. The display also comes with a sharp 1.5K resolution, which means images appear crisp and detailed. Another highlight is the 120 Hz refresh rate. This allows the interface to feel extremely smooth when scrolling through apps, social media, or web pages. Brightness is also a strong point here. The display can reach very high peak brightness levels, making it comfortable to use even under bright sunlight. Combined with wide color support and strong contrast levels, the display experience feels very immersive. Now, let's talk about performance, which is where the POCO X series usually shines. The POCO X8 Pro Max is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S chipset. This processor is designed for high-performance tasks, such as gaming, multitasking, and heavy applications. Combined with LPDDR5X RAM and ultra-fast UFS storage, the device should deliver extremely smooth performance. Apps open quickly, games load faster, and switching between tasks feels seamless. For gamers, this is particularly important. The device is also expected to include an advanced cooling system to help maintain stable performance during long gaming sessions. This means the phone should be able to handle demanding games without significant performance drops. Even though performance and battery are the main focus, the camera system still plays an important role. The POCO X8 Pro Max features a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. This helps capture sharper photos and more stable videos. There is also an ultra-wide camera that allows users to capture wider scenes, such as landscapes or group photos. The front camera is designed for selfies, video calls, and social media content. POCO also integrates AI-based camera processing to improve image quality in different lighting conditions. One of the most interesting features of the POCO X8 Pro Max is the battery. The device is rumored to include an extremely large battery capacity, around 8,500 milliamp hours. This is significantly larger than most smartphones currently available on the market. With this capacity, the phone could potentially last up to 2 days, depending on usage. For heavy users, this is a huge advantage. The phone also supports ultra-fast charging, allowing the battery to recharge quickly when needed. Some versions may also include reverse charging, allowing the device to charge accessories like wireless earbuds. The POCO X8 Pro Max is expected to run the latest Android version, combined with Xiaomi's Hyper OS interface. This system focuses on performance optimization, smoother animations, and improved battery efficiency. The phone also includes modern connectivity features such as Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. These features ensure compatibility with modern wireless accessories and payment systems. So overall, the POCO X8 Pro Max looks like one of the most interesting smartphones in the upper mid-range category. With a powerful processor, a large premium display, and an extremely large battery, it targets users who want performance, endurance, and value in a single device. If the final price remains competitive, the POCO X8 Pro Max could easily become one of the most popular smartphones of the year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.